Okay, in this video we're going to go through the DAX first of the month trade which we took on our fund account. Our fund account is an averagely sized account which we use to demonstrate our trades that we take in the markets. So on the first trading day of the month, we do expect institutes and pension funds to put in money into the market. So we look to buy the market at the close of the market or on the previous day. So this is us entering right here. We can see this was on the 31st of October. It was pretty much on the close of the futures market for the DAX, which actually happens at 9 p.m. UK time. So we've entered into the market. You can see our entry here at 12,897. So that's our entry. Our stop loss is down here. It was actually about 45 points down at 12,849. So a pretty reasonable stop, and we pretty much let the market do its thing. So not a lot of heat. We've entered in here, gone a little bit negative, and as markets start kicking in Asia, the markets start trading upwards. So with our trades, we're always looking to manage risk, and you always should be looking for where the next level of resistance or support is, depending in which way you're trading the market. For us, our level of resistance in the market was at 12,950, and I'll just kind of show you how we came to that. This is a daily chart of the market. So this is the cash chart in the markets from 8 a.m. UK time to 4:30 UK time in the afternoon. So this is represents, each candle represents one day, and what we can see over these last 5 days before the close on Friday. So we're taking this bar into account. This was actually Friday yesterday. You can see here how we've had a close here of 41. The high of this bar was 51. The high of this bar was 44, and the high of this bar was 53. So if you just put your line over there, it clearly shows you we've got resistance in about the sort of 46 to 50 level. You can never be fully precise on it, but we just felt, okay, I normally round these up, and the 50 level was pretty good for us to start to look to take some profits. Well, here's what happened. Right here at the open of the futures market opened, it spiked right up for a second. We're looking to take profits at 50 and missed it. So with that, if we've missed a level, we'll just look to take our half a little bit lower, not wait for it to go back up there. So you can see we took our half profits here, banked in $354. Our risk on this trade was actually 0.5%. So it was a 0.5% risk, which was $500. So we've locked in certainly a reasonable profit, and we've paid for our stop loss, and then we let the market trade for the open, which was right here. Unfortunately, the market traded down, and with us, we do expect the market to start to put in some funds in the morning time in the market, and we just didn't see those funds being introduced on this day. Well, not early on. They certainly got introduced later on into the US session. So around about 11 o'clock UK time, thought it was time to tighten our stop, and we just put it to what we call a swing low here. Felt the market's moved down. If it can hold this swing low, it's likely to move higher. If it can't, it's probably going to move lower. So we adjusted our stop, tightened our stop, and we got taken out of the market right here. So the stop was adjusted right here to 12,905, and we just got taken out of the market. And sadly, later on in the afternoon, the market pushed up. But key thing is always managing your risk. We came out of the trade, we made 0.4% for a 0.5% risk. So all really nice on the day, and very little management with this trade. Really, it's just putting it on, looking at the market again if we hit some key resistance, and then just managing the risk later if the funds are really not putting funds into the market. So we're still positive in this market. Actually, just to give you a little bit of an update of where we're at from the reports this week. If we do gain acceptance above 12,950, we do have potential moves to 13,200. So pretty much looking like we've got above those 12,950 levels on Friday. So for next week, we'll be expecting further upside in the market. And if we do take a trade, we will review that as well. Hopefully that's helpful to you guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.